It's that time of year again. The festive lights in town are telling me another year is passing by soon. As the nights fall early and the air grows so crisp and cold, I make myself a cup of tea and look back on what I have done this year. Well, I guess I have not done much. There's so much I wanted to do, and so many places I wanted to go. And I may not have been good to you, or maybe I have not been good to anyone lately, but you know I'm trying. Please know I think of you every day, and I just wanna thank you for being my friend. Yeah, I know it's that time of year again. The candle lights at home are bringing us memories of chestnut picking, and the heartwarming lyrics in the music from the radio make me think of all the faces I've been fortunate to have known. Well, I guess I could have done more. There's so much I meant to achieve, but so many moments just drifted away. I may not have been around much, and I know I have not been in touch with you lately, but you know I'm trying. Please know I think of you all the time, and I just wanna thank you for being beautiful. There's so much I wanna tell you. Let's open the wine. Put the phone down, we'll talk all night. But first of all, tell me how you've been. And you know I'm trying. Please know I think of you every day, and I just wanna thank